In this video, I'm going to show you how to find XRP on TradingView. So it's actually easy. So what you're gonna do is, like, the first thing you're gonna do is you just go to the search bar at the top left hand side. So just go to the top left corner and then search for XRP. Make sure to sort the search to crypto. Click on crypto instead of all, so that you can able to see the main ones, the correct ones. After that, scroll down a little bit and select this, like the one with Kraken. Here is it. And for you to be able to access it easily, so just go to your watch list here, click on this icon, on this book icon, then click on this plus icon, add symbol, click on it. After you click on it, research the word back again, XRP. Look for the Kraken, the one that is associated with the Kraken account, then it will, and click on it. After you click on it, just go back to your watch list, and then here is it. So that simply means you can able to access it. You can simply move it upward. Then even if you exit the TradingView and come back again, you are going to see it on your watch list, and like you can easily just press this book icon and you will be able to access your XRP here. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel.